Los Angeles, the cover. Los Angeles, like the GPS Yankee, full stop. We can go to left at any time. Traffic in sight at 2 o'clock, Los Angeles.
Boeing 001 Heavy experimental is verified squawking 4717.
4717 on the squawk for Boeing 001.
Boeing 09 X-ray flight, use caution for the helicopter head.
Okay, we'll go.
Ground, Castle 35, is that hotel? Would like to cross 1129 for the outer.
Castle 35, paying ground, cross runway 11 to the outer rim.
7000, 635.
For Castle 35 to cross.
Castle 35, cross runway 11 to the outer rim.
Cross 11 to the outer, Castle 35, thank you.
We got the one east of the runway, not the one west.
Aircraft west of the runway, just about 2,000 feet down runway low level. Helicopter is circulating your traffic on about a mile final to T-33, 7 the site.
Good day.
Place ready, now.
All right, we're moments away from the two T-33 airplanes making their way, and here she comes, the 787 Dreamliner.
Down to 10,000 for one pump room.
Yeah, here it comes.
Horizon 393 with you, 1264, 12,000, phone to 250 with Delta.
Heavy external, your discretion, contact Delta 1.5.
Oh, going to the center, thank you much, Tower. Boeing 001 flight, when able to go 128.5.
There she goes, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, one for the ages. I hope the mics were able to capture some of the cheers that you heard from the many employees who have gathered here to watch this first flight. Again, the airplane will head north from Payne Field and then head out west towards the Pacific Ocean. Right now, the weather is looking pretty good south of Port Angeles, Washington, towards the Oregon coast. And most likely, that's where the pilots will turn after they make the turn out west. And you know, we aside from the two T-33s that you saw there, there was also a T-38, another military airplane that is actually ahead of the 787, doing some weather recon to let the two pilots know how their weather will be. You know, again, I'm sure you heard the roar and the collapse in the crowd here at Payne Field from the thousands of employees you see there, a sea of employees who came out from the offices, came out from the factory today to witness this first flight firsthand. You have no idea how hard many of these employees have worked. They have devoted their passion, their energy, their intelligence, really giving their commitment to this airplane. I think this is as good a time as any to recognize and acknowledge the support of the global team. Here is a video from just some of the team members.